madumihan ulit yung nearest part pag ginagawa niya na yung hardest part, baka mataluan, so nakalay na yung towel. Again, wash, rinse, dry. Hindi ko na ulit-ulitin yung sequence, basta tandaan yung sequence.
Wash, rinse.
Sasabon, rinse, babanlaw, and then dry. So, kung nag-wash kayo, farthest, distal to proximal, para ma-encourage nyo yung venous return, yung flow ng blood. Tapos, wash, rinse naman, and then use the towel for drying. Okay? And then you can wash the client's hand using the separate basin. Ilagay doon, and then wash mo siya. Dry. Done. Tago nyo na ulit yung kamay ng client. Then proceed to the other side of the body. Dito naman tayo sa same procedure.
Same towel lang po.
Ha? Pareho. Ha?
Same towel.
Ha?
Same towel lang po.
Kung ano po yung
Now?
ginamit sa face.
So, 1 towel per patient. Ay, 2 towels. Pang dry.
This time, we will now proceed with the chest and abdomen. Again, wash, rinse, dry. Chest. Paying special. Pag nag-wash kayo ng chest, iangat nyo lang yung towel. Hindi mo i-expose na.
Ay!
Ayan, ha? Provide nyo pa rin yung privacy kahit na kayong dalawa na lang nandoon. So, wash. Paying special attention din sa pagbabae, yung under ng breast. Especially kung medyo may edad na yung client nyo, nagsasab na yung breast, iangat nyo, pilinisin nyo yung ilalim. Kasi nagpapawis yun. So, pag magpapawis, meron ang combination ng microorganism. After chest, wash, rinse, dry. Abdomen naman. Wash, rinse, dry. And then, cover or tuluyan nyo na remove yung, kasi mamaya na magpapalitan natin. Palitan natin. Proceed now to the lower extremities. Expose first the hardest part, and then bend the knees, then externally rotate. Medyo nakapakan. Same din. Make sure na yung pagkakaan ng blanket mo ay iba-ibag, ha? There's the towel under the clients. Yes, and then wash, rinse, dry the legs. Same procedure. Then, yung syempre lagyan kasi wash, rinse, dry, and then try to be a guard. And then, sa foot part, parang yung ginawa nyo sa kanina. Pwede kayo sinuha ng basin. Wash the feet. Kada yun na inyo, make sure to dry it thoroughly. Paying special attention dun sa liquid na toes. Ginamit ito yung lahat yan. Kasi pwede mag-cause ng injury pagka meron accumulation ng water. And then proceed to the other side. Same procedure sa kabila. Diulil ko ba? Nakita nyo na. Now this time, we can proceed to cleaning the genitalia. So position your client to anatomy position or pareho lang na naka-extend out the face. So, tutumboy kaya naman niya yan. I-wrap nyo lang. Ganyan lang. And then, clear towel under.